Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver's side sun visor. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now in my case this sun visor is broken, you can't really close it, and when you try to close it there is a loud snap coming from inside it. So I got the used one from a car salvage. So pretty much what you have to do, you have to remove two mounting screws and then you have to disconnect this electrical wire which is used for power to the mirror. So when you open the mirror there is a light, right? Now to remove these two screws you will need the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, once the screws are out, then you want to detach the sun visor here on this side, and you'll have to pull it a bit down to gain access to that electrical connector. Okay, so I've got it off, and this is my bad actually. In my case, I have the base trim of Nissan Rogue and my sun visor does not have light here. I will show you now. So there is no light, right? While the one I got from the salvage has a light here. So if yours has a light, you just have to disconnect this connector here. If it doesn't, then just remove those two screws and pull it down. So what I will do now, I will install the new sun visor and I will just not connect this, and that's it. The light will not work obviously, but that's it. So when you're installing the visor back in, you just want to push this side in and then attach the other side, so this will hold it for you while you screw it in, and that's it. Once done, everything should be nice and working, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.